Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your Wish notifications. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to manage your notifications on the Wish web app. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to www.wish.com. If you're not already logged in, just click on the sign in button at the top right corner and log in using your account's credentials. After logging in, locate your profile icon at the top right corner of the page, and here you'll be provided with a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down from the left navigation panel to look for Notifications, which is pretty much the first option in the Settings window. Now, under Notifications, or in the notification settings, you'll see a list of different types of notifications, such as your other updates, that's your others. This includes notifications about your order status, shipping, delivery, and then you have deals and promotions, a lot about discounts, sales, and special promotions, and then you have rewards, a lot for gift rewards and coupons, of course, system reminders, that's notifications for general admin and update, and of course back in stock means you can get notified when the product is back in stock. For each type of notification, you have options to enable or to disable. You have the checkbox right next to it, and you can also choose how you want it to receive the notifications, either email or app. So go ahead and use the checkboxes right next to them. Let's say for your orders, you can uncheck the box for app and just leave it at email. And for deals and promotions, you can uncheck the box for app and also uncheck the box for email. For rewards, you can uncheck the box for email and just leave it at app, and just go ahead and just freestyle. Do whatever you want to do. And once you have done the necessary things that you need to do, and you have adjusted the settings according to your preference, that's just going to be it. That's going to be it. Once you make any changes here, it saves automatically. So you don't have to click on the save or update button somewhere. And once you're done, this will ensure that your new preferences are applied. It's a good practice to review your notification settings periodically, especially after making changes to your account or if you're not receiving certain alerts. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.